Hi everyone and welcome to another Papercraft Society box reveal. This gorgeous bright box has been designed by the lovely Jo at Time for Tea. Now I've been fortunate enough to meet Jo before. There's the Time for Tea designs. You've probably actually seen the logo before within the craft market. Jo, as from what I remember, I've met her before. She's so lovely. She is just on her own, a small company, but makes the most beautiful design. So this is really going to be something different for you. So life is like a cactus, thorny but beautiful. But how true is that? So we've got the wallet. This wallet, I don't know what's in here because I've not actually opened it up yet, but this is thicker than usual. It's actually a bit of a different design. So we've got I have torn mine because I didn't realise there's a sticker there. So just so that you know, there is a sticker there. So just be wary when you're opening it. I'm just going to take a craft knife and slice that open like so, just so that I don't tear it anymore. And there's always lots in the box here under the tissue. We've also got a project booklet, an inspiration booklet. We'll delve into those in just a moment. So let's put that to the side for now. But the wallet is usually my favourite thing because there's so much packed in here. So let's see. Okay, so new design for the wallet. This is different, isn't it? I might have opened this upside down actually, or well, we'll see. So we have got stamps. Now, Time for Tea is so well known for their stamps, and they're usually very cute images, sort of, I want to say ditzy itsy sort of stamps. That's what I call them, the little ones. You're going to love these. Imagine scene building these up, colouring them in as well. We have got cute little bunny, a cat, a mouse, all with cactus there. Let's stick together. I'd rather be gardening. Well, not today, the weather's not great, but usually I would be. I hope your birthday is on point. So they're all cactus themed things. You've got your cactus and your pots here, so you can actually mix and match which pots with which cactus. Free hugs. Yeah, who wants to hug a cactus, really? Congratulations on your new home. That would go really nicely with a cactus plant as a gift. And then we've got another stamp set, and again we've got our kind of build your own cactus, or build your own cactus, sorry, with the large pot here. More sentiments as well. Life without you would really suck. That's in succulent. Hello there, my friend. Our friendship is always on point. I just love these. So yeah, you're going to love them too. We have got a stencil as well. I don't need to put that onto the white. Look at that floral stencil. That is going to work beautifully. We've got a die set here. So this has, it's kind of like shelving almost, isn't it? Or a window, this framework here. And then we've also got the ability to build up these fun cacti. We've got pots as well, flowers. We've got a bow, a heart there. We've got the little smiley face. I don't know if you can just see that, the eyes and the mouth there. This, I can just see beautiful, beautiful cards coming from these. Quite a modern, quite contemporary feel. Let's take a look at the papers as well. So if you're interested in this box, you can subscribe, and this will be the first one you receive if you subscribe between now, today, and the 20th of June. After that, if you then go on to subscribe to Papercraft Society boxes, you will receive the next box. So let's have a look. We've got pink cacti there as well. What else we have? Oh, they're nice, fun, bright colours, aren't they? That actually looks really nice with the stencil. Then the bright orange as well. The green, really funky. They look like they've been stamped on, actually. Do you remember potato printing? That kind of reminds me of that. That's the design of the box, which I adore. And then we've got the white version as well. So all backing papers that are going to work really, really well with all of your elements. So let's pop these aside and take a look inside that tissue paper. So green, of course. I really love the design inside the box. Again, this is quite different to what we're used to seeing. I don't know if this is going to be continue this sort of design, or if it's one-off just for Jo and Time for Tea Designs. We will see. Now we have got in here just make sure, 3 alcohol pens. So these are both broad nib That's like the chisel nib, and then we've also got the fine tip as well in green, orange and a pale grey. So green and orange, absolutely, you can understand why they are there with cacti, but then also the grey is going to be perfect for your shadows. So that, again, that's something different that we don't usually see in Papercraft Society boxes. We have some adhesive pearls here as well in the pink and green. We have foam pads, which are going to work beautifully with those dies that we saw, because they were layering dies, lots of little pieces to put together, so they're going to work brilliantly. And look at this. Already in the project booklet, I can see that die set used on the front, coloured in with the pens. Beautiful. Let's just flick through the cardstock first. So we've got a mint green there. We've got a lovely bright sunshine yellow. This is double-sided cardstock, and it's got a white core, so you can tear it, you can emboss it and sand it back and do all those sorts of techniques. We've got 2 sheets of each. Then we've got pale pink, and then we've got that sort of red, almost terracotta colour there too. I'm going to do a very quick flick through the booklet as well, just so you can see the sort of inspiration that you're looking at. If you prefer to save the booklet for a surprise for you to look at later, then probably just close your eyes for a moment as I flick through these. So there's the lovely Joanna. So from Time for Tea Designs, I believe Joanna does all the designs, all the inspiration herself. She may have a design team, but when I met Jo a few years ago, she was doing everything herself, so very talented. Just to remind you as well, the pattern papers that you receive within the Papercraft Society box, you can always download more of those. So if you absolutely love any of the pattern papers, you can go into the booklet and you can find the download website, the link, and you can type that into your computer and find the downloads. Okay, so let's flick through this part and start to look at some of these projects. We've got step-by-step instructions on how to put things together. Look at these beautiful cards. They are fresh, they are really modern, really contemporary, something, as I say, very, very different and just so much fun. So I won't go through the entire booklet. You can see there's a lot. There's usually around about 16 projects. It's a 32-page booklet, full colour. It's like a mini magazine, all focused on elements that you've got within the box, so you're going to be able to make every single item that's in this booklet when you get it home. So that's everything that's inside this month's Papercraft Society box. This is box number 58, designed by Time for Tea Designs. I hope you love this as much as I do. You can find all the details down in the description below, and if you want to take a look at previous Papercraft Society boxes, because many of these we can then purchase later on, take a look at our Papercraft Society unboxing playlist just here. Don't forget to subscribe to the CraftStash channel as well, of course, and hope to see you again next month for the next Papercraft Society box reveal.